Shh, I broke it. Alright, so these were our old valves. This let water in from the pool. So basically it was a free-flowing system from the pool. Comes flowing into the box. Hold on just a second. It's dark, I know. And most of you picture here. So it's filling up. The pool's filling up. Pump's running, even though you can't hear it, but it's running at only... Is that a crack or what the hell? No. No, okay, that's just a... I thought that was a crack. Oh my god. That's got some black stuff on it for some reason, but... Alright, so... The pump's running. You can't even hear it, but it's running. See it? That's a quiet pool pump right there. This is louder than the pump. So the autofill is doing its thing. We got the new valves in, and these are so much easier. These are a lot easier. And I got to get in here and clean out all this bull crap, like all this piping and dust pans, and this hose is in the way, and the chemicals are not stored correctly, and you're gonna blow somebody up here. There's muriatic acid beside the chlorine, which everybody knows mustard gas is going to be created if those two get mixed. But literally you can, that's it. That's all there is to the valve to close them. So you pull them up and then stick a pin in them. Try not to drop my phone. Just stick your pen through and it holds them open. Pretty fairly easy valves. Those you had those valves over there you had to screw and just keep going like that. It took forever to close the valves off. These you can get closed pretty quick and there's no problems there. But it's getting close to being to its full water level, and then what I wanted to do before I go home is to make sure that will go off if that float goes up. So, and hopefully the water hasn't been adjusted, that water level hasn't been adjusted to where it's going to overflow, because it's been doing this all day. It's been about 15 seconds. Let's see, our pool is got the license here. If I can find it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's our pool volume. Bathing load, it says 15, but it says 39 out there on the sign. But that says 36,238 gallons. So when I shock the pool, I just shock it for a 40,000 gallon pool. It doesn't hurt anything really. So tomorrow what I'll do is I'll get my little, you know, this is the best kit in my opinion. I have the small one too. We have the small one and we have the big kit. And a couple bottles are sitting over there for pH testing, and we got some of those too. But I'll test the water, just correct the pH if need be, high or low or whatever. I got some pH up over here, and I got some muriatic acid to make it go down. So I will just we'll test the water, because half of the pool has been drained and fresh water has been put in. So we're gonna have to see what our alkalinity is and all that beautiful stuff. But I'm gonna wait till it's all the way full to its volume, because there's still a couple thousand gallons probably missing from this pool right now. Doesn't look too bad. I did shock it a couple weeks ago and stuff. Got to get the leaves out of the bottom. A little bit of algae growing, starting to grow, and some pollen and stuff that'll get, once these skimmers once water starts flowing through these skimmers, I think we'll be in a better situation. where it'll definitely filter this pool. And then I'll come out here with the basket. I'll get as many as these leaves and stuff that I can, and then I'll run that that little dolphin robot cleaner that we have, and throw her in there, and she'll suck up all the fine particles and stuff. So in about 3 hours time or so. And I need to get out here and get the gator through that gate over here, because we're totally surrounded with fence here. So I need to get the gator, get all this trash out of here, keep a couple buckets so I can put some DE powder. I think this is empty. If not, that shock bucket's empty, and I can use the shock bucket to put some DE powder in it. Because just holding them in the bags like this, the bags bust open, and then you got a mess on your hands. But it's getting full, guys. It's getting full. So, yep. So just a little bit of cleanup after our little well, we didn't do it, a contractor did. And then this thing is leaning, and I'm almost nervous about even trying to push on this, but yeah, it needs another
I'm getting a lot of calls
board.
in the West Wing that they have no hot water.
And there's
Water in the West Wing.
the next video right there, the no hot water. All right, let's go check that out. And guys, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Hopefully y'all see what's going on. 10-4, we'll be right over there. So, yep, that's how my day goes. It's about 6:30. I'm supposed to get off at 7, but you know, whatever. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. That's the pool. What's going on with our pool? So let's go see what's going on with the West Wing hot water. Okay, to get out here, every wing has a door to get out here to our mechanical rooms, except for the West Wing. So we leave a screen out and we crawl through that window. Yeah, true fact. I didn't bring a screwdriver or nothing with me, so this is probably gonna go south here. This thing is not fired up. And let's see what we got. There's definitely no hot water. It's warm, but it's not hot. Should be a hell of a lot hotter than that. That's great. Let me try turn this baby off. We're actually gonna do a full reboot, so we'll kill the switch here. There's a kill switch here, which then goes to the oh shit kill switch on the wall over there. So this one's like, if flames are flying out of it, you know, you wouldn't want to come over here to try to turn it off. You'd go over there. So, that's why I call that the oh shit button. So let's turn this back on. Give her a little reboot, and hopefully that solves our problem. Alright, while that does its little synchronization, and by the way, somebody said it was a Lars. You're right. I said Mars. I don't know why. I think the L was pretty close on the keyboard. I was just typing, you know. I try to answer everybody's comments. You know, it gets kind of crazy, but... Alright, so with that, I'm just going to set that back up for whatever reason that's there for. And we're going to go check the gas, because we always, just like an electrical item, you want to check the electricity. Well, this is tank number 7. There's 9 on our property. God dang, it stinks. It can't be that full and it can't be that empty. Damn it. You gotta be kidding me. Fuck. God, I hate the smell of propane, guys. Oh, it's so nasty. Y'all don't mind if I have a cigarette, right? Fuck. Don't tell me we're out of gas, dude. Who the hell is filling this crap? Yes, we're out of gas. God dang it. And 250 gallons in that tank. When I first started working here, I accidentally I told him to fill this tank, and a 250 gallon tank here. This is a 1,000 gallon tank and it's out. Gosh darn it. Not again, dude. So there's no point. See guys, always check the obvious crap first, you know. Shoot. Thanks. Whatever it was. Well, let me turn off the boiler. It's gonna be a late night for me probably, if they even come. Or I can leave the boiler on, but it's not gonna do anything. No hot water in our 68 apartments. 68 apartments, old people. This one actually has 50 something apartments, but still. We're out of gas. That's awesome. All right. Jeff to front desk.
Front desk.
Not looking good for the hot water in the West Wing. We're out of gas in the West Wing. I'm gonna see if I can get somebody out here tonight to fill it.
10-4, thank you.
Yeah, I don't know why they let it go out of gas. It usually is filled like every 2 weeks, every other week. God dang it. And usually, guys, he caps off that tank. That tank took us 2 months, almost 2 months to empty that. Just, all it does is run this. 1,000 gallons of propane. So, you know nobody has filled that tank. They don't want to because you see the location it's in. You can't back your truck down here because you'll bust up our sidewalk and stuff. And they don't want to extend their hose all the way out here to fill it. So, all right, well, that's the story of my life right there. Another out of gas call because the Mighty Therm 2 is working just fine. I'm no way to know that when you're out of gas. And of course, propane powered generator, which doesn't work. So, hey, look, pad boxes for Comcast. Ooh. Anywho, guys, Jeff the maintenance man, y'all have a great day. I gotta go call in some gas. This is gonna be a fun day.